Let's talk about adding privacy protection to your LLC or corporation. This is going to vary by state, so you're going to want to sit down with a lawyer in your jurisdiction. But let's talk about it very generally about the types of things that can be done. Now, part of this depends on the nature of your LLC. If you have a service business and you're out there publicly serving people, there may not be much you can do about privacy. For instance, my law firm has my name in the name of the law firm. It's going to be hard to get significant privacy protection. Not to mention I speak on stages, I'm on YouTube, people know who I am. It will be hard to separate that. But let's say I would buy a company in a completely unrelated field. Let's say I would buy a sandwich shop. That sandwich shop, I could then potentially have privacy protection, especially if I'm not there physically very often, if I'm a passive investor in the sandwich shop. We could call it the local sandwich shop LLC. But then in some states, you have to disclose who the owners are in the corporate documents. So then I need to comply with the state law. I need to think about that. But perhaps the owner could be an LLC in a different state that doesn't disclose the members. So the local sandwich shop in a state that requires the members to be disclosed could be owned by XYZ Holdings, organized in a state where the members don't have to be disclosed. And you can see by doing the right layers in compliance with your state law, you may potentially be able to add some layers of privacy protection. So you want to talk to counsel that's experienced in entity formation and understands the notions of privacy protection, which often goes hand in hand with asset protection, right? If you're getting privacy, the privacy often not only protects just that public nature of information, but also starts to layer on protection against people who might be trying to attack your assets and take them. So asset protection and privacy go well together. If you have questions about asset protection, privacy protection that are general in nature, do feel free to comment below. YouTube comments are not confidential, so do not ask private questions which you don't want others to see. But we do read the comments, and they often inspire other videos. So if we see that there's a good question out there, we may address it in a future video. So we'd love to hear your questions about asset protection, privacy protection, or business law in general, as they may inspire future videos. We'd also love to know what you think about privacy protection, whether you think it's right or wrong. Come join me in the comments. Check out our past videos on channels, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you get our future updates, which will be coming very soon. I'll see you for another video. I'll catch you soon.